When you were in your teens and 20s, losing weight was often as simple as turning down that extra scoop of ice cream or adding some occasional exercise to your routines. However, as you age, your metabolic rate has a tendency to plummet, turning what used to be an effective diet and exercise plan into a recipe for serious weight gain. For women, in particular, hormonal changes including menopause can make weight loss after 40 difficult. However, just because you're getting older doesn't that mean you have to resign yourself to upgrading your wardrobe with the next size up every year. Weight loss for women after 40 is definitely possible. And it doesn't have to be an uphill battle every step of the way. 1. Start weight training. Women generally have a lower natural muscle mass than their male counterparts, and aging can deplete the little muscle tissue we have, sometimes by as much as 5% in a 10-year period, starting after age 30. Fortunately, building some muscle with a lightweight training routine can kill two birds with one stone. You'll burn some calories doing the exercises, and research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology reveals that, even though weight loss is often associated with a slower metabolism, women who added resistance training to their routine actually maintained their resting metabolic rate. 2. Take a daily walk. Adding a daily walk to your routine means you've taken the first step toward achieving a healthier weight. Staying active can help you burn more calories and lower your chances of suffering an injury. Research suggests that regular exercise can reduce a person's risk of osteoporosis, and shaving off those extra pounds means you're putting less strain on your joints, making it easier to prevent a fall that can keep you sidelined. 3. Up your omega-3s. We all know by now that adding omega-3 rich foods to your meals can aid weight loss. Flax seeds, avocado and avocado oil, nuts, and oily fish like salmon are all good options. Research published in Obesity Reviews shows that adding some omega-3s to the subject's diet helped them lose more weight, keep it off longer, and stave off hunger pangs. But there are other health benefits that omega-3 fatty acids can have for women over 40. A study published in the journal Menopause suggests that it may help reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flashes, as demonstrated in test subjects between the ages of 40 and 55. 4. Turn up the fiber. Hormonal changes in middle age can wreak havoc on our weight and our waistlines, but boosting the amount of fiber in your diet can help. A study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine reveals that increasing fiber intake helped participants shave off 4.6 pounds over an 8-week period and maintain that weight loss over the course of a year. Even better, dialing up the fiber in your meals can help combat the bloated belly and sluggish digestion that often accompany hormonal changes. Need ideas for ingesting more fiber? Start with the best high-fiber foods. 5. Skip the sweeteners. Kick off your weight loss today by skipping the artificial sweeteners. Researchers at Yale University have found a link between artificial sweetener consumption and an increased risk of obesity and excess belly fat, but nixing them from your diet could help you get rid of those unwanted pounds. 6. Add in a leg day. Adding a leg day to your workouts can help you tone up your lower half and make it easier to shave off unwanted weight. Not only will increasing your muscle tone help you burn more calories, research conducted at Chungnam National University suggests that individuals with more muscle tone in their lower bodies have a lower risk of falls and fractures that may keep them from getting adequate exercise for months, if not years. A study published in Gerontology also suggests that strong legs are a good indicator of the strength of another important muscle, your brain. 7. Start swimming. Hitting the pool is a great way to get your body into the best shape of your life, no matter your age. A 155-pound woman can expect to burn nearly 500 calories an hour swimming at a relatively leisurely pace, adding another 200 calories to that number by doing some faster laps. For women over 40, low-impact exercises, like swimming, are particularly beneficial, thanks to the limited wear and tear they cause on joints, making it less likely an overuse injury will keep you benched. 8. Stick to a schedule. Keeping a regular eating schedule could be the key to ditching those extra pounds after 40. Researchers at Hebrew University found that feeding mice high-fat foods on a regular schedule kept them leaner than when they were fed the same foods on a sporadic basis. Sticking to a consistent eating schedule can also help you fend off the hunger pangs that can prompt cravings for high-fat or sugary foods, which often get worse around menopause. 9. Sip on green tea. A little green tea in your cup could yield a lot of weight loss. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition reveals that adding green tea to subjects' meal plans increased their fat-burning ability by a whopping 12% over the course of 12 months. Even better, green tea's combination of antioxidants and caffeine can give you the boost you need to fend off those energy lulls that often accompany middle age. 10. Limit your eating to an 8-hour window. Closing up the kitchen for the night makes it easier to shed those unwanted pounds at any age. By limiting your food intake to a certain daily window of time, aka using the principles of intermittent fasting, you'll reduce the likelihood of gaining weight. Research published in Cell Metabolism reveals that mice who spent 16 hours a day fasting and the other 8 hours eating high-fat food remained relatively lean, while those who ate the same number of calories and the same amount of fat over the course of the day significantly increased their risk of obesity. As always, make sure to consult with your doctor to see if these work for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you like the video.